What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Yahoo password without entering your email and phone number. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Yahoo. After typing, you will see this first official website of Yahoo Mail. Click on this website and after clicking on this website, you will be redirected to the sign in page of Yahoo. So if you already have created an account, just type in your Yahoo email, mobile, or your Yahoo username and then click on next. And then it will automatically sign you, or sometimes it may ask for password. You can just type in your password and then you can sign in. Or if you want to create a new account, click on create an account, or you can just sign in with Google. But if you want to create a new fresh account of Yahoo, click on create an account and then enter your Yahoo mail, or you can create one, or you can enter your Gmail address. And after that, enter your password and other credentials that Yahoo asks, and then your new Yahoo account will be created. And after that, open a new tab, and then in the new tab, search for help.yahoo.com. After clicking help.yahoo.com, you will be redirected to the help page of Yahoo account. From here, click on reset or change your Yahoo password. And after clicking here, you will see the steps to reset a forgotten password. Like it says, go to the sign in helper, enter one of your account recovery items, click continue, and then follow the instruction given in the sign in helper. You can reset your password like this. But if you want to change your password, you can just simply sign into Yahoo account security page, and then you will see the option of change password. Click on that option and then enter a new password, and when you're done, just click on continue and your password will be changed. So let's say you want to reset a forgotten password, click on this, go to sign in helper link, and then a new tab will open. And after coming here, you need to enter your email address. And after that, when you enter your Yahoo account, you will be redirected to the sign into Yahoo page. And from there, you will see the option of reset password. Click on that and then reset your password and then click on continue. So your password will be resetted. So that was all for this video, everyone. This is how you can reset your Yahoo password. Thank you for watching.